September 8, 2025. Robert here at the REN meeting with Sam Wharf. Sam's one of our past presidents here at REN. He is a great example of how you can be successful when you plug in to a curated education and a real estate community. Sam, what is your name?
My name's Sam Wharf, and I'm from 2 hours out of Nashville and built my portfolio.
So you drive 2 hours to come here each month?
I drive 2 hours each month both ways to come to this meeting.
What's the value you get from this meeting that you would tell other people is totally the reason they should show up?
So you meet friends, you also meet people that everything you need is in this building. So when you walk in the door, you need money, there's money here, there's experience, just anything that you need is in this building.
So whether it's marketing help, whether it's money for your deal, whether it's questions, answers for your questions, You're not sure about how to do something, or you want to learn a new strategy, all of that is here.
Every bit of that's here, correct.
Excellent. How long, Sam, have you been interested in real estate investing?
I've been full-time for 25 years, been in real estate for 33.
Now, Sam, what is your best piece of advice to someone who wants to get started in real estate investing?
Oh man, I wish that I'd have been involved in a group like REN and plugged in when I first got started, because I made so many mistakes doing it by myself. Get plugged in somewhere where other people have already succeeded and just volunteer. You don't have to have any knowledge or anything, just ask questions and just volunteer. Do whatever you can do, but just plug yourself in.
What is your advice for someone who wants to get to the next level in real estate investing?
So the next level, once you get started and get a couple of deals under your belt, we have trainings at REN. Like tonight, we've got somebody talking about shared housing. You can go do these classes and get more knowledge about whatever you're interested in. And then once you learn that, you plug into a small group, and now you have people that are there, accountability partners, people to answer questions for you. Just, again, plug in, get the training, and move forward.
Now, Sam, what should an investor avoid?
The big thing right now is don't believe what you see on the internet. There's a lot of stuff out there. Get in a group where they vet the information. Like we vet all of our information. If somebody comes to us and they've got questions, we're going to try to help them find the right answers. But just vet everything you do. Do your due diligence. If you're doing business, even with anybody here, check with other people. Have they done business? Always verify what you heard. Trust, but verify.
Thank you, Sam.
Thank you.